Hi, this is Olivier. In this quick video, you will learn how to use text replacement. It is quite frequent that customers request changes to the system texts, and we should all know how to use this particular platform tool. I will first share with you the context, as we need to make the distinction between two types of texts in the system. Then we will navigate to the application to identify a piece of text that we would like to modify. We will make the change in text replacement, and finally, we will test the modification. There are really two types of text in the system. The first are generally called configuration labels. They are put in place by the consultant during the implementation project. Customers can also be in charge of some text available in Admin Center, such as email notification templates or the custom tiles in the home page. Secondly, the system texts are available in the application by default when we activate the language packs. When changes have to be made to these system texts, the first tool that we can use is text replacement. And this is what we will see in this video. When the text is not available in this first tool, we can use another one called Manage Languages. However, Manage Languages is more technical, and we have to be careful when we use this one. Let's go to the application now and see what we have. From the main navigation menu, there is an option called My Employee File. When I click here, I can also see at the top the label Employee Files. There is not the word Mine, but this is still Employee Files. So let's see if we can change those labels. From the action search, I'm going to type text replacement and select this option. From this tool, I can see several languages available to me. So I'm currently using American English. This is the good selection. The number of items that you see will vary for each language. For example, you can see a very long list of labels for American English. If I check what I have for another language, let's try Dutch, for example. Maybe the list will be a little bit shorter. Maybe I will not have exactly the same entries. So let's go back to American English. Maybe I can search by key, or I can search by default text. So the key refers to the technical key behind the label that customers see, that end users would see in the application. So in my case, maybe it's going to be easier if I search by default text, and I'm going to type the word employee. I can replace this text with another one, let's say associate. It's going to be important for me to modify all the entry, and each time I'm going to respect if there is a capital letter, a lowercase if there is the plural form, or not the plural form. This is something very important. So I'm going to make those changes for all the entries for consistency. When you have options that refer to other keys, maybe it's not going to be necessary for you to make the change for those. So once you are done with the changes, simply click Save. So I saved my modifications. If I immediately check, nothing happens. So I still can see employee files and my employee files. So I'm going to try and log out and log back into the system. Now that I am back to the system, from the main navigation menu, I can see my associate file. At the top of my page, I will also see associate files. So this modification was consistently implemented throughout the application. I hope that text replacement will be a useful tool for you. Thank you for watching this video.